Hello, in this video, we'll see how you can add extra columns in OS books while creating invoices based on your business needs. Every business is different, which is why OS books gives you complete flexibility. You get extra smart fields like shipping address, transport name, and vehicle details. If you deal in finance, you can easily add EMI information as well. And based on your business, you can even define custom fields. Let's get started. First, we'll click on Inventory Sales. Now, the bill you've created will be visible here. If you directly click on Print, transport-related details will not appear yet. So we'll open any invoice and click on the Edit button to update the information. Now we'll add those fields in the bill where transport-related details can be entered. For that, click on the Settings icon at the top and scroll down. Below, you'll see an option for extra columns. As an example, let's first add a shipping address as our first field. Please note, any extra columns you add from here will automatically appear in both old and new bills. If you want to keep a fixed value, you can enter it under default value or leave it blank and click on the plus icon to add it. Next, let's add the second field, transport name, in the same way. Once both fields are added, click on Save. As soon as you reload the page, you'll now see both fields on the billing screen. Let's fill in those fields now. For example, enter a demo address under shipping address, and under transport name, write something like Manpreet Transport Services. Click Save, then enter the paid amount and choose the payment source. Click Save again, and then click on Print. Now you'll see that the extra details like shipping address and transport name are showing on the printed invoice. You can click on the settings icon anytime to fully customize your invoices, whether it's changing the format, adding extra info, or inserting field columns. All the formats available can be used as per your business needs. Any extra fields you add will automatically reflect in all past and future invoices. Now, every invoice will reflect your brand identity. Stylish, smart, and fully under your control. Give your business a professional touch with customized invoices only on OS books. Try it now and experience the difference. Thank you.